even though we have a law that was passed in 2007, the Domestic Violence Act, and there are attempts to implement protection for women, the demand is far beyond what government itself and other organizations are able to deliver. For instance, my organization attends to sometimes up to 50 women per day who are referred from the courts who simply want to be taken through the motion of applying for a protection order. And for us, because we have inherited a legal system that's very complex, the protection order application itself is a whole lot of pages that a woman has to fill in. And unfortunately, our court process is in English. A lot of women require assistance in terms of filling that form in, to the extent that even though we're saying we're offering legal aid, some of the women require someone to help them write. So we do use provision of legal aid through direct legal advice, sometimes giving a woman information, and then taking up some strategic litigation in order to establish the rights for women and to get them to be defended. In Zimbabwe, we have organized sects of churches that are called apostolic sects. And they are organized in a way that the leader of the sect will tell the people about what the rules are. So for instance, they believe in early marriage of girls. And sometimes they just wake up and say, I've dreamt that you are my wife, and the young girl is married off. They believe in polygamy. And the women are not expected to inherit anything when the husband dies. They also practice widow inheritance, and there are many other harmful practices for women. And so we've started working with some selected groups like that in terms of raising awareness on women's rights and their role in protecting women's rights, and then raising information about the law and instances where they are acting outside the law. And in places where we have worked with those, we have trained peer educators. So even when we are not there as an organization, some women and men from within the church now know the position, and they are able to assist each other to get protection.